Hello, kindergarten readers. It's Mrs. Vaughn, and it's time for countdown. So, climb aboard the spaceship. We're going to the moon. Hurry and get ready. We're going to blast off soon. Put on your helmets and buckle up tight. Here comes the countdown, so count down with all your might. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off into learning to read, kindergartners, where for just a short lesson each day, we are learning so much about letters and sounds and how they all go together to read words. So let's go ahead and begin. For today's lesson, you're going to guess my mystery words that got all mixed up. So let's go ahead and guess the mystery word. V, a, n. What's my word? Good job. Van. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. B, e, d. What's my word? Good job, you got it. Bed. Here comes another one. O, e, g. What's my mystery word? Nice job, friends. Leg. Here's another one where we have b, a, t. What's my word? Good job, friends. A bat, like a baseball bat. Here we have p, e, n. What's my mystery word? You got it. Pen. Here we have b, a, g. What's my word? Good job, friends. Bug was the word. And n, e, t. Guess my word. Net. And the word is net. Good for you. Like a volleyball net. All right, here comes one more. We're going to do k, I, d. Guess my word. Kid. And that is a kid. Nice job, friends. So let's go on to the next part, where for this next part, we're going to be thinking about the first sound in words, and we're going to be sorting them. So I can sort, I can sort, I can sort, sort, sort. I can put things into groups, and I can sort, sort, sort. So over here, we're thinking about bear. What's the first sound in bear? You're right, I heard b, bear. So we need the b sound at the beginning made by the letter B. What's the first sound in violin? Good for you. I heard v in violin made by the letter V. So let's find our first picture. Here we have a van. Say van. Nice job. And what sound did you hear at the beginning? Good for you. We heard the V sound at the beginning of van, and that begins with the letter V. Here comes the next one. Here we have baby. Say baby. Good job, friends. So we hear B at the beginning of baby, and that's made by the letter B. Good for you. Here we have a ball. Say ball. What sound do you hear at the beginning of ball? Good for you. We heard B, ball, and that's made by the letter B. Let's do another one. Here we have vegetables. Say vegetables. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Good for you. We heard V at the beginning of vegetables, made by the letter V. So let's go ahead and think about what started with the letter B. Here we have B is for bear, baby, ball. And with the letter V, we have violin, van, and vegetables. Let's do another one. So here, friends, we're going to be thinking about key. What sound do you hear at the beginning of key? Good job, I heard it too. So the K sound in K, key, made by the letter K. And here we have edge. What sound do you hear at the beginning of edge? Good job, the E sound made by the letter E. All right, so let's see what we're going to sort. Here we have kangaroo. What sound do you hear at the beginning of kangaroo? Good job, I heard it too. We hear K in K, kangaroo, made by the letter K. All right, here we have egg. What sound do you hear at the beginning of egg? Good job, we heard eh at the beginning of egg, made by the letter E. You've got it. And here we have a kid. What sound do you hear at the beginning of kid? Good job, we heard K at the beginning of kid, made by the letter K. Good for you. All right, here we have king. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Good job, K, king, made by the letter K. And we have an envelope. What sound do you hear at the beginning of envelope? Good for you. We heard eh at the beginning of envelope, made by the letter E. So let's go ahead and review. We had letter K that says K for key, kangaroo, kid, and king. And here we have the vowel E that says eh, like in edge, egg, and envelope. Nice job, friends. So for this last part of countdown, we're going to spell the first letter of some words. So here's bug. Say bug. Good for you. What's the first sound in bug? Good job. We heard B at the beginning of bug. And we're going to look at some letters, and we're going to think about which letter spells the B sound as in bug. Good job. You're correct. It's the letter B. So we're going to put that in front of bug. And now we have B, bug. Good job. All right. Let's go on to do our next one. And here we have kid. Say kid. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Good job. K at the beginning of kid. And we're going to be thinking about what letter spells the K sound. Good job. So let's be thinking about it. You can even point to it and say its name. Good for you. We're pointing to the letter K, saying its name. We're going to add it in front of id and make it say K, kid. Good job, friends. Here we have a van. Say van. Good for you. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Good. I heard the V sound too. And we're going to think about what letter spells the V sound. Good for you. I want you to point to it and say its name. Good for you. We're pointing to letter V. It says V at the beginning of V, van. Good job. So here we have a bag. What sound do you hear at the beginning of bag? Good job. I heard it too. I hear the B at the beginning of bag. And then we're going to think about what letter spells the B sound. Go ahead and point to it and say its name. Good job. We're going to point to this one right here. We're going to point to letter B, and it says B, and we're going to put that at the beginning of egg to make it say B, bag. Very good. Here we have pen. What sound do you hear at the beginning of pen? Good job. We heard the P sound at the beginning of pen. We're going to think about what letter spells the P sound. All right, go ahead and point to it and say its name. Good job. We're going to point to this one right here. So that's letter P. You've got it. And P says P, like at the beginning of P, pen. So here we've done the word pen. We're going to do one more. Here's a bat. What sound do you hear at the beginning of bat? Good for you. We heard the B sound at the beginning of bat. Let's go ahead and look at some letters and think about which one spells the B sound. Go ahead and point to it and say its name. All right, we're going to point to the B, and we're going to put it at the beginning of at to make it say bat. Well, boys and girls, you did such a nice job. Worked so hard at countdown today. You deserve a confetti celebration. Well, boys and girls, until I see you again, keep up the good work. We're so proud of you.